Yes, so guys, welcome to the tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a simple RNB type beat. Yeah, simple RNB type beat, emotional. R&B is emotional genre music. So let's go and see what I prepared for today. My name is Johfoxer. Okay. I just play my things here, 11 things in this beat. So I hope guys you will enjoy the tutorial. So the first thing I play here, it is the chord progression from infinite piano. I just infinite piano here. Yeah. After that, I just add this one orchestra. So add the vibe to that piano. Yeah. And yeah, I like the sound. After that, I play a load. This loads from Citrus. I just arpeggiate it. Yeah, I just followed my chord progression in this. So that I add this one nylon from Fox. I just play it simple. After that, I just add this one Nexus octave E piano, E guitar. E guitar is an octave electric guitar. That I just play my shaker. I just play like hi-hat. After that, I play snap. After that, I play my kick. Yeah, to play my kick here, I just add this one electric from Citrus.